I'm so often inspired by those human beings who enter into a conversation more interested than trying to be interesting. It's often been said that how something begins has a lot to do with how it ends. Some of the best salespeople in the world, some of the best communicators in the world have long since figured this idea out of when I am more interested in the person I'm talking to than interested in telling my story, the connection becomes unbreakable. And the ability to work towards mutual success expands beyond my imagination and beyond our collective imaginations. We live in an economy today where people are selling their products and services. And those products and services are connected to features that they, the salesperson, think are what's most important in terms of differentiating them versus the competition. The reality is so much different. The reality is when our product, when our service transcends a feature or a benefit and is built into or created into something that solves problems for our clients and prospective clients, they so rapidly and comfortably and sustainably move forward with those people who are selling them something. We are asked to train business owners, salespeople, sales executives, business leaders on how to help their clients and prospective clients take the next step in the sales process or take the next step in the relational building process. So many people feel uncomfortable in asking for that next step. And there is a core or a chief reason why so many people feel this is so challenging to do. And the reason why is both you and the person you're talking to aren't sure that the value has been created or the value is clear. And when the value is not clear to both people, you and they, it feels really, really uncomfortable to ask someone to take the next step. So before you say you're not a good closer, before you say you've just never been a good closer, before you say you're afraid to ask someone to take the next step, you make sure that you've created that maximum amount of value and make sure that both you and they agree that that value exists. And you will see the willingness for the person to take the next step and your comfort in asking them to take that next step grows immensely.